So lately, if you've been following SMMA YouTube, you may have seen a couple of major gurus in the space sort of change their tune lately. There's been a couple new models that have emerged, mainly the IPGA model, or the Information Product Growth Agency model. Also, some SMMA gurus right now are actually pivoting away from the SMMA model and pitching that everybody should go and create a Skool community. So I'm going to talk about some of these, weigh some of the cons in comparison to SMMA. So let's start from the top and talk about the IPGA model, or the Information Product Growth Agency model. So when we saw this first emerge, Derek and I obviously asked, what is that? Followed by which we had a bit of a chuckle to ourselves, because this follows a trend that we've seen over the last 7 years of running this channel and of being in the SMMA guru space, of what we call SMMA hype cycles. So every year or so, it seems that there's some new skin that is put on the SMMA model, and the entire reason behind it is from some guru just to sell more courses. Let me explain this to you. IPGA, Information Product Growth Agency, is nothing more than a skin put on the SMMA model. It's a niche-specific SMMA. It's a social media marketing agency that focuses on working with information products or coaches. This would be no different than me saying that, oh, go ahead and start a FSGA, a fitness studio growth agency, or a RCGA, a roofing company growth agency. Plot twist, we already teach you about 20 specific models in the SMMA Blueprint program so that you can go and work with 20 different niches, have the skills and expertise to take those tactics and deploy them to any other niche and be incredibly well equipped to work with any niche that you would possibly want to work with. The reason why coaches do this is because it's a trendy new way to differentiate their program in the market and to make new agency owners think that this is the way that they're going to differentiate their agency. The only person that wins is the person that comes up with the new skin to put on the SMMA model. We have our agency. Behind me is a 2 Comma Club award for generating $1 million in the last 12 months with our agency. Cannot get that plaque unless a third party verifies your bank records, where all the leads came from, and make sure that you're not full of crap so that you can't make YouTube videos with their plaque. On the side, Derek and I run the SMMA Blueprint, which is an information product. Now, here is why beginners should stay away from the information product model. We are very difficult to work with on two sides. On the side of Derek and myself, we are the marketing experts. Most coaches who are successful selling information products are marketing experts. They did not treat their information product business like a side hustle. They became a marketing expert. They learned to acquire clients using organic, paid, and social methods, and they are complete rock stars when it comes to marketing their business. Just like e-commerce, this is something that's going to be very challenging for beginning agency owners to get into. I can say personally, no offense to anybody watching this video, but if you've only been in SMMA for a couple of months, you're not going to have the skills yet to work with Derek and myself. Just like a lot of the other coaches out there that are doing well in the space, they're going to be looking for people just like we are, who have expertise and can take something that we are already doing well, take that off of our plate, and go and do it better. If you're 90 days into running ads, that's not going to be you. On the other side, you have a lot of deadbeat coaches. You've got people who are just getting in for the money. They're a real estate agent, or they're a chiropractor, or they're something, and they've been sold this idea that, oh, all you need to do is launch an information product and you're going to be successful. They don't realize that it took us a year to create the SMMA Blueprint 2.0 of working on it tirelessly every single day. And they're also not going to be prepared to pay thousands of dollars per month to a social media marketing expert who can help them actually scale up their operations around their coaching program. You guys really have no idea all that goes in behind the scenes to make a coaching program successful just from the content in the program alone. But on the back end, there are endless emails that need to go out. There's endless sequences. There's endless opt-in forms. There's so much mechanics that goes on the back end of an information product. It would take up all of your time as an agency owner just to work with 1 or 2 clients, and that would not get you to the level that you want to be at when it comes to your income. The second business model that I want to talk about today is this new Skool platform that a lot of people are really excited about right now. Now, this actually is something new, and don't get me wrong, we are quite excited about this, and Derek and I will likely launch a Skool community. The thing that you need to understand, though, is that in order to be successful with Skool, you need to have an audience of people in order to start generating money with it. This is difficult for somebody who's brand new in internet marketing to do. Additionally, if you're not familiar with the Skool model, essentially what this is it is a community that you can build online of like-minded people, like entrepreneurs or fitness gurus or health coaches, whatever it is, and you provide value and you provide content to that community based on things that you know a lot about. What this means, if you're brand new on the internet and you don't yet have that, or you're brand new into business, it's going to be very difficult for you to create a community that has enough value that people are going to want to be paying you every month to join your community. Look at Derek and myself. We have this YouTube channel. We've got 20,000 of you who watch our videos every single week, but it's taken us 7 years to get here. If we were brand new, there's no way that we would have been able to start making money with Skool right away, because it just takes such a long time and so much energy invested to start creating an audience of people that trust you enough to be wanting to join your Skool community. The thing that's really frustrating to me about this is the people that are really pushing the Skool model right now are basically treating it like what I call an MLM. You might not realize this, but when you sign up under someone on Skool, they get 40% of your monthly fees. So it's in their best interest to be early to that market, to move you onto it, and to get you stuck in under them, paying your monthly membership fee. So every month that you give Skool $100, they get $40 of that. When you really take a good hard look at this and you think about how long it would take for you to build an audience, and if you're looking at doing a Skool and you're passionate about changing lives, like if those are the values that you align with, Skool might be something that down the line, once you build an audience like we have, is something that you can make money off of. Let's wrap this up with the social media marketing agency model and talk about why I always say that this is the best first business to start online. So let's take a look at SMMA versus Skool. SMMA provides you the basic fundamentals of being able to make a living online. Every single business in the world moving into the future, aside from maybe government contractors or things that obviously have no place on social media, is going to be reliant on social media to grow their audience and grow their revenue into the future. This means that all other industries are either going to need to have social media marketing expertise on their internal team, or they're going to have a third party that can help them with it externally, like we do as social media marketing agency owners. So the reason why I always say that a social media marketing agency is the best first business to start online is as you grow your skills by working with clients, you start at a low retainer, maybe you provide a free trial, you get a little bit better. You close your first client paying you $1,000 per month, you get a little bit better. The more results you deliver, the more trust you have in the market, the higher the rates that you can charge are. But perhaps most importantly, as you're learning all of this, you're learning skills that you can deploy into any market that you ever want to start. Maybe you want to create a Skool community and start bringing people in through paid media and organic traffic to start joining your Skool community. If you learn the social media marketing tactics that are taught by running a social media marketing agency first, you can create any type of business that you ever want to down the line, and you can avoid having to pay a social media marketing agency for those third-party services if you learn them first yourself. Skool is a great way to build a community, but it's going to take you a long time to get there. You're going to need to build an audience. You're going to have to learn the things that you're going to have to learn to run a social media marketing agency anyways. So why not get paid to do that by clients that you're working with as you upskill your skills and then turn those skills around into something that you can use to monetize the Skool community, start a brand, whatever it is that you want to do down the line. A great video to watch after this one would be this one right here, where Derek walks you through completely for free, start to finish, top to bottom, how to start a social media marketing agency this year. And if you haven't already, drop a subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.